McMurry University, founded in 1923 as a United Methodist institution, is a student-centered community that empowers its graduates to lead lives of meaning through scholarship, leadership, and service.
I made up a lot of friends with the OLs and incoming freshmen, and I was told to join a lot of clubs and activities, which I did, and it's made it so amazing.
McMurry University is located in Abilene, Texas, about 150 miles west of Dallas-Fort Worth. McMurry University has over 10,000 alumni living all over the United States, as well as in 11 different countries. With over 1,200 students, McMurry offers over 40 clubs and organizations and 19 NCAA intercollegiate sports. McMurry University offers over 45 academic majors, including 10 pre-professional programs with a 13-to-1 student-to-faculty ratio.
My McMurry experience has really allowed me to branch out and learn leadership qualities, as well as pursue an education.
The 52-acre campus located in the heart of Abilene offers opportunities to explore the beautiful West Texas area. 90% of McMurry students receive financial aid.
I feel better prepared for my future after attending McMurry because of the leadership and the study habits that I learned here. I learned how to be a member of a team.
McMurry University was listed as number 18 on the list of best regional colleges west by the U.S. News and World Report in 2015.
I chose McMurry University because when I came to McMurry, everyone here was so inviting and welcomed me and let me know that no matter what, someone was always going to be there for you, whether it be a professor, a new friend, faculty member, no matter what, there's always going to be someone to talk to and have by your side.
For more information, visit admissions.mcm.edu or call 325-793-4700.